Hello everyone. Murthy's Creations is back with another craft project. This time on occasion of Deepavali. So it is a lantern making. It's a very simple craft work which can be done by kids along with the parents. You can make a theme like superhero themes or your favorite cartoon, Peppa Pig, Paw Patrol, or even a simple Happy Deepavali with the Happy Deepavali message. Come, let us see how to do this. Materials required are a tracing paper and printout of the things which you want on the lantern. Here I am making a Happy Diwali wording along with some crackers. So I have taken the printout of this Happy Diwali message and also printout of crackers, which I'll be showing it little later. And of course scissors, and also you can use a kite paper like this or crepe paper. And cellophane tape, Fevicol, pencil. So now on this tracing paper, so I want to use the message Happy Diwali. So what I do is that on this printout I keep this tracing paper and make an alignment. Ensure that the width at the left hand side and right hand side are equal. And here using a pencil I trace on this Happy Diwali. When I do that, what happens is that I'll show you. I have already done this here in another tracing sheet. So you will get something like this, and I have colored it using a crayons. So after tracing on Happy Diwali, inside the alphabets I have colored it. And also this is the, you can see the crackers, the diyas and fireworks, all these things. I have taken a printout and cut it. And I have stuck it to the tracing paper using a cellophane tape. So for special effects, you can use this kite paper as a background to this tracing paper to give some color, or you can use the tracing paper as is. So if you give a different colors, you will see different background of this. Okay. So the next step is make this a cylinder and attach this using a cellophane tape. You make it a cylinder, and you can see the cellophane tape here. And you can, so this is how it looks here. So next what we have done is, we have taken a quilling paper like this, which you can choose choice of your color. Make a circle out of it and stick it here. This is required here. So you can use Fevicol to stick this. Both the sides, that's been done to give some strength to this. And also on the top, using the punching machine, you can see there is a hole made. This is for two reasons. So you can see this hole here. So you can see that now what I have done is, I have taken a torch. Let me show that to you. So this is a torch which I have taken, and a simple lantern would be something like you use a refill or a small stick, refill or a thin stick like this, and put this so here, okay, something like this. So and stick it. So you are putting the torch inside there, and see now how it is. You can keep it on a table, something like a yeah, this is how it looks. So yeah, so this is a simple uh, standing lantern, and we'll also look at the second enhanced version of it. So if you want to give some special effects, see, with the plain torch it would look like this. So what you can do is that for the torch here, this is a color sheet. You get it in the stationery shop, 5 rupees one color sheet, and I have cut it and stuck it to this torch with using a cellophane tape. And see, this will give you a shade of a color. So you get color paper in different colors. You can choose your color. So next step is take a crepe paper, and for the quill paper, take the circumference of the quill paper and stick the crepe paper to the quill paper. And now we are sticking the crepe paper to the cylinder, bottom of the cylinder. So after sticking the crepe paper here, it looks like this, and we have used a twine thread and tied it here to hang it like a Diwali kandil or Akash butti. And this is how it looks now. See, you can see that. So beautiful. You can see a beautiful shadow also. So you can do it with your favorite superhero. So here is Frozen themed. You can use a little bit brighter light. You can see Iron Man here. Done. So yeah, you can see the SpongeBob, Anna and Elsa. So likewise, you can be creative and make a Diwali Kandil or a Akash Butti of your favorite cartoon, superheroes, or even you can use your own pictures and do these lanterns. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and try making these at home and comment in the box how was your experience. Thank you, and wish you all a very happy and safe Deepavali.